Hello guys, it's Richie Sanaji and I'm glad to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to premiere a video on YouTube. It's pretty easy, right? So just like uploading a regular video, right? So what you do is that you click on create, right? And click on upload video. So you are going to select the file that you want to upload here, or you just drag or select the file. So it's going to take you to your computer directory to just do that. So in my case, I've already uploaded the video, right? So so this is the video here. So this one here, looking up to you. So I'm going to go ahead to edit it, right? So here you put the title of your video, then so the description. So the description is the lyrics. So this is a video song. It's a song video, right? So here this the thumbnail. So the playlist, leave it. So this the restrictions. The video it's the kids can watch it too. Then here just go down here. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to tags here. I'm going to add gospel music, so music video Afro gospel. So I'll just add Afro dance hall. So you just go ahead and add your tags, right? So I will not bore you with this. I'm gonna add that later, and then you come here. So so recording date and location, I'm just going to leave that. If you want, you can just do that, right? You can put that. So here so the category, so here it's music, right? So I'm going to put in music. So what you do, click on next, right? So this video, so I don't want to put restrictions on my video. I don't want to put restrictions on my video. I'll just get the way around it, right? So I'm not going to add any end screen. Then checks everything is all right? So let's go. So this is how to put it here. So as Premiere, so here, right now you put it public. So you click on set as Premiere. So it's as simple as that, right? So you can set a day if you want. You can also schedule your Premiere. Maybe if you want it to be tomorrow or something, you can also do that here. So you set as Premiere, schedule the post, right? Maybe you want to premiere the video, so let's do it. Let's do it tomorrow, 28th. You can do it. You can just set it, so this August 28, 2021, right, by 12 AM. So you hit close. So guys, thanks for watching. If you find this video really helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and next time, cheers. Is Richie Sanaji.